Okay, today you are going to need a few things. You are going to need some scrap paper. I'm having some work that Asher did that I'm going to use the side that has white. It does need to have a blank side, but you can use just any old paper. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You are going to need a pencil or a marker or something to write with a crayon that you can write nicely with. Okay, and we're going to use that in just a moment. Right now we're going to play which one is higher. So I'm going to show you two numbers. You tell me which one is greater. Which one is greater? 10. Good job. Which one is greater? 20. Which one is greater? 10. Good job. Which one is greater? 8. Which one is greater? 17. Which one is greater? 14. Very good. All right, let's do some word problems. You need a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, I'm going to tell you a word story. You need to draw a picture and write a number sentence to match. Okay, so make sure that you are ready to go. I want you to draw a picture while I'm telling the story and then draw a number sentence afterwards. Okay, here we go. Sarah has 10 soccer balls. Sarah has 10 soccer balls. 4 of her soccer balls are flat and she needs to throw them away. How many soccer balls does she have left? Write a number sentence. Ready for the next one? Very good. Peter made beautiful paintings for his friends. He made 15 paintings for his friends. He's very talented. He gave 11 of those paintings to his friends. 11. He gave 11 away to his friends. How many are left? You should be writing a number sentence. If you haven't written a number sentence, please do that now. Okay, one more story. Are you ready? Barbara bought 7 books. And she read them all very, very fast. So she bought 8 more books. How many books did she buy in all? Make sure you write a number sentence. Okay, I look forward to seeing those number sentences in your work. Have your parents take a picture of those. I would like to see those along with the worksheet that I'm going to attach. Okay, now you need a scrap piece of paper. And here's what I'd like you to do. Please listen very carefully so we can all have it the same. At the very top, you are going to write a rectangle with a line in the middle. Make it nice and big, please. And you are going to write the number 10. 1 in one box, 0 in the other box. Beautiful. Now I want you to write your numbers right below it. So we're going to write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now see how I ran out of room? No problem. I got more scrap paper. If you don't have more scrap paper, leave a space and come over here. 5. See how I left a space though? You can't write it right next to it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And I don't have space, I'm going to write it over here. All right, now watch. Take your scissors and cut out your rectangle. And put that down in front of you. Watch very carefully. Don't do this yet. You need to watch me first and then you do. So wait till I say the magic word because I don't want you doing this and then not doing it correctly. Okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to cut. Don't do it yet. Watch me. You're going to cut all the way down your rows so that your numbers are down in rows like this. Okay, now you do that. Okay, now don't do it yet. Watch me. If you're not done, you pause it and then you watch me. You're going to cut in between each number so it's by itself. Okay. And we're going to hold on to these and use them for a week or so. So don't throw these away when we're done with them today. You're going to want to have them. So each number is by themselves. Okay? Okay. We've been talking about 10 ones and some ones, so you're going to also want to watch. Okay? So let me tell you a story, and I want you to get the numbers out when I tell you the story. So there was a basketball team, okay, and they were having a basketball game. On one team, there were 10 players, so get out your 10. And on the next team, there were 8 players. Get out your 8. Okay? Now, if we were going to draw a picture like we have been this week, we would be going ten ones, right? There's our 10 that you have out in front of you. And then we would have 8 ones. And we wrote 10 ones and 8 ones. Okay? Today, you're going to take your 10 ones and I want you to slide up your 8 ones. And now we have the number 10. 8 is 18. 10, 8 is 18. Very good. Okay, so we're hiding the 0. We call this hide the 0 cards. We're going to hide the 0 to make our number 18. Okay, very good. All right, let's talk about another story. Are you ready? We had 10 cookies. So get out your number 10. Okay, 10 cookies. So that's 10 ones. Okay, and then we got 10 pieces of, or not 10 pieces of cake. 6 pieces of cake. You don't need to draw the dots. I'm just drawing the dots to show you how we've been doing it. So we have 10. You need to have these numbers out. 10 cookies and how many cakes? Okay? So we have 10 ones. Hide the 0. And we have 16. 10. 6 is 16. Very good. Very good. Okay. So today, you on your worksheet that you're going to have, it's going to have the tens frames going up. Okay. So today, if you were doing 10, 6, you're going to start on this side and go up, then go back to the bottom. That's a full tens frame. Start here. Okay, then they're going to have you put those into your number. So you're going to slide that. 10, 6, slide it, is 16. Okay? Make sense? Yeah, you already knew all this. I know. Keep your cards because we're going to use them tomorrow too. We're going to use them the rest of this week and maybe next week some. So keep them, put them in a little baggie or put them in a pile in your pencil box if you have your pencil box, and save them for the week to come because we're going to pull those out a few times this week. All right, have a great day. Do that worksheet that is attached and show me your number sentences that you did that for our stories. Have a great day. Bye-bye.